Welcome to Boudoir Gym, which is the channel to boost your fitness and femininity with showgirl workouts, and I am the dance instructor at Boudoir Gym. My name is Esther Julia, and today I will show you 4 leg moves that you could greatly include in an exotic floor work routine. Please make sure that you consult with your doctor before you do these moves to make sure that this is safe for you to do, because we are doing this in high heels. And also it is important that you don't have to do a certain amount of these leg moves that I will show you. The most important thing is to be able to accomplish them the right way. So let's get started. So then let's look at these 4 leg moves, and you can actually do these 4 leg moves in the same order as I am going to present them. So the first leg move is actually a great way to get into that hip circling movement, what will be needed for the other leg moves. Okay, so you place one leg on the ground, that leg is bent, and the other one is straight. The other one could be the left leg, let's say, but whatever you choose. And in the single leg circles, you're basically just going to draw circles with this straight leg. However, when you draw the circle, you bend your leg at the same time and make sure that your foot leads this movement. So that's an important part of this exercise. And not only your foot, but your hip and your chest is also moving, as you could see. You draw a little bit circles with your hip as well, and when you move your hip back, your chest is moving front. So it's kind of the opposite direction, but your foot leads the movement, definitely. And that's it. You could do a few, like 3-4 single leg circles. So the single leg circles was a great opportunity to go to the next movement, which is the leg waves. Mostly because you will need to use your hips for this movement as well. The way how you present the leg waves is you always will bend one leg, and at the same time you straighten out the other leg. So that's also very important, that the leg you bend, you move always to the back, as you could see on the video, and then the other leg, which you straighten out, you move to the front at the same time. Very important that you also move your hips with this movement, and you always move your hips to that side which has the bent leg. You see? Now I'm moving to the right side, then to the left, then to the right. So that's it. And then the clockwork is going to be similar to the single leg circles, because you're going to draw a circle with your foot in this case as well. However, here you are laying on your back, and actually this movement is very similar to how the clock works. So that's why we call it clockworks. And you can repeat it 2 times with both legs. And then the last movement is probably the most challenging one. However, if you did do the Marian Hill one-time heels choreography, which came out 2 weeks ago, almost 2 weeks ago, then you are familiar with this movement. If you haven't watched that video, make sure that you watch it. I'm gonna try to link it at least in the description below. So what you do is that you move your feet away from each other by drawing a half circle with your feet, and as your feet come closer, you move your knees away from each other, and then from here you will spread your legs, but make sure that you end up with straight legs. So that's it, and let's do it one more time. Move your feet away from each other, half circle, then you move your knees away from each other as your feet come closer, and then you end up with spread legs. And that's it, you are done. dancers. These were the 4 leg moves that you could include very successfully if you want to have a great exotic floor work routine. These 4 leg moves are very often involved in exotic floor choreographies, and I really like them. I hope you learned something useful, but not only that, I really hope that you had fun as well. Let's stay connected. You can find the links to my Instagram and Facebook profile in the description below. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel to get notified regarding further similar videos, tutorials, and to boost your fitness and femininity, because this is the place for that. Thank you for watching, and bye.